Welcome to Yellow TV, where the extraordinary meets the unexpected. Today, we're uncovering nature's most jaw-dropping moments, scenes so rare you have to see them to believe them. Don't miss out. Subscribe and hit that bell so you're always in the loop for more thrilling videos. If you come across a school of fish flooding the area, take a moment to admire the scene, but be smart and stay away from the water. Fish don't leap onto the shore without a good reason. The Naruto Strait puts on a show of its own with a whirlpool so mesmerizing, they might think Poseidon himself is stirring the waters. The swirling vortex is nature's version of a giant fidget spinner, hypnotic, powerful, and a little bit terrifying. Does this look like a chocolate river from Asterisk Charlie and the Chocolate Factory Asterisk? Sorry to burst your bubble, it's not. Welcome to Moena. After a heavy downpour, a peaceful street transformed into a muddy torrent, resembling a real-life chocolate cascade. No golden tickets here, just a jaw-dropping display of Mother Nature's power. When a storm rolls in, it's not just rain. It can turn your construction project into an unplanned demolition day. Watch as a building under construction crumbles entirely under nature's wrath. Watch as these palm trees get a free ride in the wind's latest dance-off. The storm's wild winds make it look like these trees are trying to audition for a new disaster movie. And hey, at least the palm trees are getting some cardio, right? Ever seen a sea turned into a hailstorm battleground? This must be a special performance for our sea voyage, courtesy of nature's director. Ice cubes raining down like an intense game of dodgeball. Fun until the hailstones knock. Thankfully, no baseball-sized ones this time. Ooh, if it weren't for the howling winds, I might have thought this was just someone's campfire smoke. But nope. That's a strong tornado making its mark along the lower Rhine. Wow, look at those massive waves crashing against the rocks. It's like the ocean is showing off its power, putting on a dramatic display. The spray reaches high into the air, catching the sunlight and creating a mesmerizing dance of mist and light.
Look at that plume of smoke.
Looks like this forest decided to host an unplanned bonfire, all thanks to climate change turning the heat up. But seriously, we should probably skip the firewood and work on cooling things down before these wildfires become a regular feature.
Oh my gosh. We're looking at it from a distance.
Mount Merapi in Indonesia just turned the sky into its own canvas, sending a massive ash plume 2 miles high. It's a jaw-dropping sight, blending awe and a touch of humor. Stay safe and enjoy the view. Amid the chaos of Typhoon Gayemi's floodwaters, this car has become an unexpected pro sailor, gliding smoothly down the street like a driverless boat. No bumps, no crashes, just cruising along with style.
大家都在尖叫，我还捡到包裹。
Just when they think they've conquered the climb, the mountain throws in a surprise challenge, an avalanche. It's like Manaslu saying, "Not so fast, buddy. Let's see how quick you really are."
Shit! Some people, they are shit!
So I'm out here.
After last night's icy attack, this truck looks like it's trying out for the part of an igloo. Armed with just a rubber mallet, it's time to play Whack-A-Ice and break it free from winter's hold. Enjoying those ASMR vibes? Comment number 1 if you like this.
This is the snow we had the other day.
Well, this lightning bolt just delivered a VIP show right on the balcony. Forget Netflix. Tonight's entertainment is brought to you by 100 million volts. When the marina turns into an ocean, they know it's been one wild storm. Steinhatchee's new waterfront property, now featuring waves right on their doorstep. Anyone up for a little impromptu paddleboarding? Ever wondered what it's like inside a blender? This tornado gave cars a wild ride, tossing them like toys. Not the adventure you'd choose, but one you won't forget. Volleyball next to a volcanic eruption? Talk about a hot game. These thrill seekers decided to turn up the heat by spiking and serving right beside a flowing lava fountain.